Hey everyone, welcome back. We've got a super refreshing cocktail for you. So, this is one that I personally love drinking in the summertime. I love cucumbers. If you're not a cucumber fan, probably not going to be up your alley, but that's okay. So, this one is going to be a shaken cocktail. It's going to be a little different from the cocktails that we've made thus far. So, shaken cocktail, we need our shaker tins, we need our jigger, make sure that we are accurately pouring things. We are going to need our hawthorn and our mesh strainer because we will be using fresh lemon juice in this one. So we've got our fresh lemon juice, we have got our cucumber syrup, we've got our favorite vodka, and here's where things get a little interesting. We actually have 5.5 ounces of water. Yeah, I know, a little goofy, but hey, you got to have some water with your cocktails, right? So as always, the ingredient list is going to be listed down below. Make sure that you follow along with me while we make this delicious and super refreshing cocktail. We're going to start off with 0.75, I got to flip over my jigger here, 0.75 ounces of fresh lemon juice, 0.75 ounces of our cucumber syrup, 2 full ounces of your favorite vodka. We're going to shake this guy here, so make sure you fill your shaker tin up to the top. Put the top on nice and tight and shake until it is nice and cold in your hand. All right. Whew. If you guys could smell this cucumber syrup, it is so potent. My husband is not a huge fan of cucumbers, but to each their own. So we are going to be using a Collins glass for this one. We are going to get some ice in here. And then make sure you have your mesh strainer because we use that fresh lemon juice. And then we are going to strain directly into our Collins glass. Set that off to the side. And then this is where you are going to come in with your water. Bring that all the way up until you are just about at the top. And then you can use a stirring spoon or you can just use a straw. So you're just going to incorporate all of that together with the water. And then I did a couple different garnishes for this one. So I have just our classic cucumber slice, or I did a little fancy cucumber ribbon as well. So you can definitely have some fun with your garnishes, but there you have it. That is our cucumber breeze cocktail. Remember, guys, if this is something that you're enjoying to watch, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you make the cocktails because I'm hoping that you're building them with me. So until the next pour, cheers.